Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be talking hair. So I just finished filming an update on my pack with me video. Not sure if this is out yet or not, but if it is, go check it out. It's me packing a personal item for Flying Spirit Airlines on a 9-day trip. So 9 days in a personal item. Go check it out. There is a twist, so go check it out. Okay, so I just finished filming a little bit for that video and did my hair in this cute little hairstyle. So I thought, hey, why not film a hairstyles video for braids? Yeah, so we're gonna first start with this style. I'm actually gonna take it down and then redo it for you guys. And then I'll share a few more hairstyles that I like to wear when my hair is in braids. So these are, I would say like medium sized braids. They're kind of long. They go probably up to my butt. These are the ends right here. So yeah, so you could see, here's my butt. It goes a little past my butt. And the ends, what I did to kind of get this sort of wavy look was, prior to dipping them in hot water, I just did 2 braids and then dipped them. And then when I took the braids out, they just had this little wavy pattern, which I really enjoyed. I've done like the curly pattern, I've done it straight, but I think this is my favorite. It gives sort of like that loose, beachy wave, which looked really nice on my trip. So yeah, so I just did this really quick hairstyle so I could film that part of the video. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it and possibly show you guys a couple other hairstyles as well. So let's get into it. All right, so let me take this down. All right, so this is what it's looking like. So I've had these braids for about 2 weeks. I've been using like oil on my scalp, and I do wrap it every night. I also use mousse to kind of hold down any flyaways when I'm styling it, but I kind of like when it starts to get this little, you know, fuzzy look. So I don't mind it too much. I'll probably wear this style for another week or two. But yeah, so let me show you guys the style I was just wearing, and then I'll show you a couple more styles that you can wear when you have your hair in these kinds of braids. So what I'm going to do is just take like a section at the top. I'm going to leave some of these on the side just to have a little bit more volume. And then I'm going to proceed to make a top knot. I don't know, is this the top knot still in style? So as I'm twisting, I'm going to be mindful that I want to leave some of the end pieces out to kind of give me that fringe that I had. So like I'm going to pull this piece out, and then maybe this piece will stay here. I'm not doing this in front of a mirror, so it probably worked better if you had a mirror. I'll use my viewfinder to help. So yeah, it's gonna come out different every time. Just, you know, understand that, and that's okay. Yeah, so kind of messy, but this one here needs to go. All right. So let me just go fix it in the mirror. I'll be right back. So when you get to this point here, right, you're just going to bring it to the front. You're going to leave some out here and then bring the rest down this way. Take some to the other side and leave others on this side. And then yeah, you can decide how many pieces you want out, and then you could just tuck the rest in. So, and then bring it up over your face. This one can go. Okay, so I ended up keeping like 3 strands on either side, and then just tuck the rest underneath. So yeah, so that's the basic look. hairstyle number 1. All right, another hairstyle that I love to wear, and it's super easy, is I'm gonna take some front pieces, like from the crown of my head all the way down to my ear. I'm just gonna take these, and I'm just gonna like do a twist in the front on both sides, and then just use a scrunchie to join them in the back. And then use this. So I love wearing this. It's really polished. It keeps the hair off your face. Super easy and cute. Okay, another one that I love is just to gather the hair all at the top and just do a top bun. So I'm gonna flip my head over, gather the hair, and just twist, twist, twist. And then just start to twist the hair around itself. And I love wearing this style, especially like on the beach. And that's it. It's super easy. And then, you know, if you want to look a little more put together, you would do your edges. But you know, you can keep it natural too. Super cute. Okay, so how many is that? 3. I think I'll give you guys 5. So I also love to like let some pieces hang in the front and then do like a half up, half down. That's also super cute. So something like this. All right, I'll give you guys one more. Actually, I'll give you guys a little bit more. So, love a side part. A side, wearing it to the side. So this is just super easy. Just put the hair to one side. It'll give you like a different look from just wearing it with a middle part. So this is super cute too. Another thing that I love to do is braid the braid. So let's do a braid hairstyle. So you can take like a couple of chunks and braid them like so. And then another chunk on this side. Like so. So again, just a different way of wearing the same style, but just giving it a little bit more texture. You can also take those 2 braids and tie them back with a scrunchie. Like so. So yeah, so those were a few hairstyles that you can do when you're wearing braids. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you picked up on a few styles that you can try out the next time you have braids or if you have braids right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a like if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which style was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more hair, beauty, and travel content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last